opportunity for all of us to come together to help push this thing together. And in Texas, what we're doing here today is we're really beginning to foster a culture of 420 in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. There's over at least 300,000 cannabis users in Dallas-Fort Worth area, and we all got to get to know each other, because it's only when we become stronger as a big team, as members, as an organization, can we spread the word, can we grow stronger? Will people be able to listen to us? Will they listen to us finally? Only when we all stand together and we point at our congressmen and we point at our senators and we shake hands with our legislators and we tell them who we are. We all have that cultural clout when we stand together, and that's what we need to do. So today we come here today in celebration, really in communion with, having fun and, having some coffee and listening to the bands and really getting to know each other, because really this is the beginning of what is going to be the 420 community in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I hope you guys are going to remain here and be part of this. Thank you very much for coming here today. My name is Larry Talley, and I hope you all become members of the Dallas-Fort Worth chapter of the National Organization for the Reformation of Marijuana Laws. Thank you very much.